Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be going over how to increase views on YouTube. So I got my little book with me where I take the notes, so you guys are going to see me look down. Don't mind it. We're going to go ahead and get into it, get straight to the point. So the first one, you need to find the topics that people search the most. So in my videos, I try to find topics or things that most people are looking to learn or looking to improve on. So you kind of have to have that demand. So if you look for what people are wanting and what they're wanting to improve on, then you have a business going. So that's the first one, and it's also one of the most important ones. So number two, so millions of people daily are looking to learn something new on YouTube. So don't be afraid to add some educational stuff within your channel. It doesn't have to be your main thing, but I'm telling you, just adding some educational stuff, it will pay itself off. So that's something that I feel like every channel should do, and especially because not everybody is just wanting to watch, you know, gameplay videos or whatever it may be. There's every once in a while people, you know, want to learn something. So that's something that you should look to put on your channel as well. Number three, so this is going to be viewer retention. So your viewer retention needs to be higher, and the reason for that is because you can have an amazing video and have amazing information on there that's very genuine and helpful, but if your viewer retention is not there, if it's not high enough, then the YouTube algorithm is going to see it as it's a bad video, even if your information in your video itself is good or great. You got great information. So you got to kind of increase that or work on increasing that. And I would say it needs to be at least 60%. So that means when a person watches your video, that they at least watch 60% of your video. So for this video, I really don't give a fuck. So whether you watch it or not, this is just for people that want to take this serious and learn something new. And that'll also help with the larger audience. The higher your retention is, the more viewers you get, the more it's promoted, the larger the audience. So it's a very important factor. Last reason is reason number 4, and that's not having long intros. So I recently got rid of my intro. I really enjoyed my intro. I really liked it, but also I had to see it from a different perspective, and I had to see it from a viewer's perspective, right? And without being biased. So like, let's say if I'm a total stranger and I'm new to this channel and I'm watching somebody's intro, and if it's too long, then oftentimes you're gonna even forget why you clicked the video or things of that nature. So I would say keep the intro short. I would say no more than 5 seconds, because you don't want to be one of those people where it's a bad habit where people skip through your videos. So I actually got rid of mine. You guys can still check it out on my channel, but I don't have it on my videos anymore for that reason. Just kind of play it safe. So that'll cause them to disconnect from your channel, and that will be bad for helping your channel grow. So those are 4 reasons as to how to get more views on YouTube. All right guys, I'll see you guys next video. Be safe. I love y'all.